Dear children, this is sixth question of 9.2 of your chapter, that is areas of parallelogram and triangles. So when you look at a problem, it seems very big and complicated, and you won't go for the what most of the students, they won't go for this one problem only, because they think first of all geometry is difficult, and whenever you see questions, such questions, you will not try to solve this one. See, one thing I want to say here, often I used to say, you might have observed that if you are my regular viewers, geometry is the easiest subject among the maths, often I say, and it is true, and most of the students agree with this one. When you are good with maths, okay, among all the branches, geometry is easy, very less calculation, only logic, okay, those who concentrate. And one more thing I want to say, whenever you have questions like this one, what you want to do is just go through the questions, concentrate and read questions, and simultaneously you go on drawing the diagram. It becomes very easy. So see here how I am doing this one. A farmer was having a field in the form of a parallelogram PQRS. Always try to draw the rough diagram first of all. That means here you have a parallelogram, that is a form, it is in the form of parallelogram. Just do this one and name it in any order, PQRS this way, or you can go with PQRS. Obviously most of the time we go with this one only, PQRS, very simple concept. Then C took a point, any point A on RS. Any point means maybe here or here, anywhere, not exactly in the middle, something like that. When it says a point, what is over here? A, okay, and C called it as A and RS, very interesting problem, and joined it to points P and Q. See here, this one, if you go this way, you are going to get this one. So easy. In how many parts the field is divided? Very simple question. 1, 2 into 3 parts it is divided. So up to this one it is very simple to understand. Next one, look at this one. What are the shape of these parts? Once again it is very simple. It is triangular. All the 3 parts are in triangular in shape. See, so easy it is. The farmer wants to sow wheat and pulses, 2 crops, okay, wheat and pulses, and what way he is going to crop this way, what they are saying, in equal portion, okay, wheat and what is that one here, pulses, in equal portion of the total field she wants to grow. So what separately, of course, then how should she do it? So very simple question when you look at this one, and you might have observed this one when I am drawing. Okay, now look at this one. You are going to get 3 marks for this one. So easy, and I think you have realized this one concept now. So what do we have to do here in exam? If you get question, just you draw a parallelogram PQRS and take point A. See here, if your parallelogram, if you are naming it from here PQRS, then what you are going to take point A here. Then once again the same thing, sorry, here something like this one. Draw it correctly, PQRS, something like this one. Your point is here A. Okay, this way you may get diagram, or if you are naming your PQRS, something like this one, you may get like this one, is it? So leave all these things. So what are you going to here? Generally we go with this one only, PQRS, and we know that one, a triangle and a parallel. If they are standing on the same base and between the parallels, same parallels, then area, sorry, this is area of this triangle is half the area of this parallelogram. Suppose area of parallelogram is 100 square centimeter, then area of this triangle is half of that 100, that is 50 square meter. Obviously the remaining portion is how much? It is 50. That means what you are going to write here? So first part of this one is the diagram or the field is divided into 3 parts, and all the 3 parts in triangular shape. Second part is also easy, very easy now. In what parts he has to grow? See, either she can go with APQ as wheat and the remaining 2 parts here and here. She has to grow what? Pulses. If she is going to grow pulses in 1 and 3, these 2 parts, then this whole part of this triangle APB, she is going to grow what? Wheat. This way you are going to solve this one. Very simple. In these videos I am explaining you the only diagram and the logic. For detailed writing all that one, you go with my next video.